Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S24. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, so don't wonder I'm having here the special version, so this is the reason why the box is a bit colored, but it's always the same. So just open the box, and in the cover you will find another black box. It's pretty hidden, so just release it like this here, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like that. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is a part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter this hole here which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and additional a second one below. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what is the first SIM card and the second one is always written here in the middle. So let's start now with the first SIM card. So insert it like this here. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, as you can see, and the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you want you can add now on the other side as well another second SIM card, but don't wonder if the first SIM card will jump out. It's absolutely normal because the SIM tray, it's not well constructed. This is a general problem. Okay, so let's start now with inserting the second SIM. Press it well so that it's well inserted now. And this is how it should look like then. So it's absolutely the same. So also missing corner here on missing corner. And the contacts, they are on top. Okay. Let me insert now the first SIM card again here from SIM 1. Oops. It's very tiny. Okay. If you're ready with your construction, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, put your SIM tray back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always to the display side, so on top. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.